Let me show you how you can solve this math problem. It says, solve 2x plus 1 all over 6 minus 3x minus 1 all over 4 equal to 0. You notice that you've got fraction here. This 6 and 4 must be removed. The only way you can remove this 6 and 4 is by finding their LCM. So, what is the lowest number that both 6 and 4 can divide without a remainder? That should be 12. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. That's how you do it. You are going to multiply across the term using this LCM, which is 12. Therefore, we have 12 multiply 2x plus 1 all over 6 minus 12 multiply brackets open 3x minus 1 all over 4 equals to 12 times 0. Notice that I've used the 12 to multiply every term of the expression. The next thing is to cancel out what is common. 6 goes in itself 1. 6 goes in 12, it will give us 2. Therefore, we are left with 2 brackets open 2x plus 1 minus 4 goes in itself is 1. 4 goes in 12, we have 3. So we have minus 3 brackets open 3x minus 1. 12 times 0 equals to 0. We now have a straight expression without any fractions. Therefore, we can easily expand the bracket. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. Similarly, expand this bracket. Minus 3. You notice that I used a bracket to enclose this term because of this minus sign here. If you don't do it, you may not be able to use it appropriately. So the best thing is to always use a bracket to carve it out because of that minus sign. It is dangerous. Okay, so we're going to have minus 3 times 3x will give us minus 9x. Then minus 3 times minus 1 will give us plus 3 equals to 0. Have you now seen the effect? It has affected this and this. So that's why it's always good to use a bracket to separate this kind of term out whenever there is a minus here and another one in front. We are left with this. So what you do at this juncture is to collect like terms. So we have 4x minus 9x plus 2 plus 3 equals to 0. 4 minus 9 will give us minus 5x plus 2 plus 3 is 5 equals to 0. So what we do, we say minus 5x equals to plus 5 we cross over to mean 0. That becomes minus 5. Whenever a number changes position, the sign will also change. So that's how we got this minus here. Therefore, we divide both sides by the coefficient for our x, which is minus 5. Our x is equals to 1. So this is how you solve this problem. If you plug this x equals to 1 into this expression, it will give you 0. Please like, comment, and follow. See you next time.